Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these AI writer tools called Article Forge. So here's the breakdown. Article Forge is an AI writing tool that uses deep learning to generate full-length articles on demand. You give it a topic or keyword and it produces complete, unique content that can include heading, subheadings, and relevant details, all in minutes without you writing a word. It's especially appealing for content creators, bloggers, and marketers who need bulk articles quickly because it aims to automate the entire writing process rather than just assist with snippet. While Article Forge is convenient and can save time, the output quality is hit or miss compared to human writing text. Some articles are current and readable, but others may feel generic or required post edit to polish tone and accuracy. It also doesn't deeply understand the nuisance or the creative brief the way more advanced AI assistants can. So in my opinion, I actually think the Article Forge can be a useful tool for scaling basic content production, but it's not strictly essential for every creator. So it's best paired with human editing or used for simple volume-focused writing tasks, instead of using for full writing content. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.